Hello and welcome back to Davinci Resolve, your one-stop for all things Davinci Resolve. And this is a quick tip episode. So let's jump into Resolve and have a look at how to export a LUT. So now that we're inside Davinci Resolve, you want to make sure that you are clicked onto the color tab. That is probably a given considering you're probably just after grading a clip and want to export that LUT, but better be safe than sorry and cover all bases. So inside the color tab, you want to make sure that you have your clips turned on. So the button for that is up here on the top right, and you can toggle on and off clips. Now that we have our clips toggled on, you want to right click on the clip you want to export a LUT from that you've graded, and just right here click Generate 3D LUT and in brackets cube. So the .cube type of LUT is pretty universal. Any monitor I've worked with that accepts LUTs accepts the cube format, and any camera that takes on LUTs that I've worked with takes the cube format. If you for whatever reason require Panasonic VLUT, fair enough, go with that, but going with the cube version should cover nearly all bases. So when we click on that, we'll just get the options of the file name and where we want to save it to. So let's save it on the desktop and call that World's Second Best LUT Ever, and hit save. And if I just minimize Resolve, and there's our cube file, and that's our LUT. And this can be dropped onto monitors, cameras, or added to the LUT folder inside of Resolve to be used for future projects. Whatever you require a LUT for, that's how you get it. Believe it or not, it is as simple as color tab, making sure you have the clips turned on, right click in the clip, generate 3D LUT. That's it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Did I miss something that should have been covered in this tutorial? Let me know in the comment section below so I know to cover it in a future video. And of course, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss future uploads. My name is Lee Dalton, this is Davinci Resolve A to Z. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode.